Today is the day. Super Bowl Sunday. So all across the nation, people are eating buffalo chicken dip. There's nothing wrong with buffalo chicken dip. But honestly speaking, around this time of year, that's the only time I eat buffalo chicken dip. Around the Super Bowl. That's it. Did you want to try something? Did you want to try something a little different? Well, I got just the recipe for you. We're going to be making garlic Parmesan cheese bombs. I hate that name. Cheese bomb? Really? That's what we're making. You're cooking with though. Now, you can use whatever kind of cheese you like. I decided on mozzarella. Took some string cheese packages, sliced and diced them up, and came away with 16 pieces. Got some pre-made refrigerated biscuits, original, not flaky, butter biscuits. They came in a pack of 8, so 8 times 2, carry the one, I sliced them in half. Now we have equal parts cheese and biscuits. Take each cheese piece and wrap them up good into a biscuit. You don't want the cheese to melt and then just leak out of the biscuit when you put them in the oven. Next, you want to grease your pan and spread them out evenly. Set your oven to 400 degrees and we'll bake them for about 10 minutes. While that's baking, we can get started on the garlic Parmesan butter topping. Melt down 4 tablespoons of butter, then add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, and I also added a clove of freshly minced garlic. When your biscuits are golden brown, brush the butter mixture over them and you're done. It's that easy. Be sure to serve these babies hot to get that melted cheese effect. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy the game, and remember, there are 2 types of people in this world: looking asses and cooking asses. Choose wisely, and thank you for watching. Alright, I wanted to thank you guys again for watching the video. If you haven't got the chance, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And whenever you get the opportunity, go ahead and check out my other videos. I do a lot of videos, movie reviews, video game reviews. I make drinks, I make food, I rap a little bit. I do it all, and I'm always repping Tonio. I have a link to the website, clothing line website, in the description below. But yeah, go ahead and do that. I appreciate you guys, and you guys have a great day, okay?
Final!